This is day 10,
having an arm lift, armpit lift and breast lift at Nordesthetics in Lithuania, and I'm at home. I flew home on day 8 in the evening. Swelling has really ramped up. I'm elevating my body as much as I can. I'm drinking as much water as I can. And yeah, I'm treating my infections under my armpits. I thought my armpits were really hurting, and I was panicking, thinking, oh my gosh, I'm not getting better, I'm getting worse. Been on antibiotics for 3 days, and I've had a look, and they don't look that bad actually. They don't look as red. Yeah, they're still red and a bit puckered, a bit swollen, but not as bad at all. What is causing me the most pain is the tapes. I've just taken the tapes off here, and it's this tape it is. I suppose because I'm like constantly moving like this, you know. I'm trying not to, but I'm moving. So obviously this is why the armpit gets sore easily. I'm really happy with the way it's looking. I'll try and show you. This one is all right as well. But look at the bruising. I got bruising here, there, under my arms, everywhere. I feel better with my compression garment on. I wanted to mention weight. So, for reference, I'm 5'9", and a couple of days before surgery, I was 12 stone 10. The day before surgery, I was 13 stone 1. I wasn't overeating when I arrived in Lithuania. I did like 20,000 steps the day before my consultation as well, when I was walking around Kaunas. I struggle a lot. I always have done with inflammation in the body, bloatedness. I had to come off Mounjaro. Mounjaro helped me lose 3.5 stone last year. Well, last year and a bit of this year as well. I had to come off that 4 weeks before surgery. And weirdly, that is when I noticed I started having problems with constipation. I think that's why I started bloating up, why the weight gain the day before surgery and things like that. So I decided to weigh myself because I was thinking, I just feel a lot bigger. When I look back on my pre-op videos on here, or even like a couple of days after, I just look a lot smaller than what I do now. I am now 13 stone 5. Since surgery, I've put on 4 pounds, but in total, since arriving in Lithuania, I've put 9 pounds on in weight. Just excess fluid, inflammation and all that. So then my first question to the surgeon, when can I start back on Mounjaro? Because that helps my inflammation so much. Before I end this video, I want to show you my bed. I thought with the surgery coming up, we've only got a standard double bed, and I thought with my pillows and stuff, there's not going to be any room for my husband to sleep next to me. Now, as a normal chair, this bed is awful. It's from Dunelm, and it's a cuddle chair or something it's called, but as a bed it is really comfy, really comfy. I've got a normal pillow there, just lift that up a little bit and I find that really comfy. And then this I bought from Amazon, I think for about £27. Oh, it's so comfy, so I can rest my arms, and then I've got a cushion under there for my legs, and I had a really good night's sleep. How long do I have to sleep with pillows underneath my arms for? That's another question. Probably I need to ask the surgeon. I've been in my pajamas all day, just chilling, just getting used to being at home. But tomorrow I'm going to get out and about. But yeah, I just wanted to show you why I love this cushion so much. I'm editing a video. I've got them wrapped over me, so I'm able to edit. Hold on. So I'm able to edit like this. My armpits resting, and I can lean over and edit my video like this. So yeah, I love this cushion so much. I'll see you tomorrow.